Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's King Jones coming at you with another video today, and I'm in my Clickbank journey. It's the $0 to $1,000 in a day journey, and so far we haven't hit it yet, but I know it's coming soon. And I just want y'all to know, like, I'm just like y'all, cause y'all be asking me questions, and like I'm just like y'all. I'm 18 years old. But you gotta understand, like I've been doing this for about a year. A year ago, I didn't have any sales at all. Like I was struggling just like exactly a year ago. Like I didn't have any sales at all. So if you just if you just keep being patient, bro, you're gonna get sales eventually. If you like just stay consistent, that's all it is. You just gotta stay consistent and just keep pushing, cause like I know the feeling of not having those sales and wanting to get up. I mean, wanting to give up. Cause I definitely been there like a year ago. Like I'm only 18 and I haven't been doing this. Like I just started getting sales in August really. So what is that about? 5 months or something like that? Yeah, something like that. So about 5 months. So it took me over a year to get sales. And so if you're struggling right now, bro, just be patient. Like, and I don't show this to brag. I just show you so you could see my journey. Cause I'm just like y'all. Like, I'm not an expert right now. I'm still learning as well. So y'all can just see my journey and see the struggles I'm going through. Cause as you can see, bro, I got days where I don't make any money either. So it's not like I'm just an expert at this yet. I'm still learning too. But I forgot what day we on. To be, I know day 33. All right. So day 33, I made 133.76, and then day 34, I made 114.14. Now, it's still not the end of the day yet, so this could go up, but it's 8:30 right now, 8:30 p.m. So I got a couple hours. This could go up, so that's not set in stone yet. But yeah, if you're new to the channel, subscribe as well. And comment down below like what y'all want to see from me or just ask me some questions or anything like that. And leave a like on this video as well. But I'm gonna show you guys like cause I've been telling y'all to promote the numerology reading, right? So I'm gonna go to this Instagram account. They have 1.2 million followers and they're promoting the numerology reading. So what am I'm not telling y'all anything that doesn't work. Like if you promote this, you will get some sales. Like it's pretty much, but if you send this to enough people, you will get some sales. It's like guaranteed because this offer converts. And like I said, I'll give you my funnel. It's free. You can get my exact funnel that I use to make me thousands of dollars. It's down below. You can get my exact funnel for this numerology reading. And they have 1.2 million followers and they're promoting it, as you can see. And if we click on the link, let's see. It's the numerology reading, like I said. So, really, if you really want to start getting some sales, this is one of the best offers to promote. Like, it's really easy to get some sales with this offer. Like, this is how I got my first couple sales. And if this page is doing it, they have 1.2 million followers. So, even if you don't believe me, just take their word for it as well, because they're doing the same thing I told y'all to do. But except they don't have a landing page in the middle, which you should. They should have a landing page in the middle. Any marketer will tell you that you need a landing page in the middle. So that's why I'm gonna give you my funnel so you can make more money. Like they're leaving the thousands of dollars on the table right now. Because if they don't go through and buy the reading at first, they will never market to them again. Like they will never get the chance to send them that offer again. But if you have a landing page in the middle, right, and you capturing emails, then you can send them that reading again and again until they buy. So they're leaving thousands of dollars on the table because most people do not buy the first time they see something. So yeah, that's where they're messing up. But you don't have to make the same mistake. Just learn from other people's mistakes. But yeah, this is my journey, $0 to $1,000 in a day. I just refreshed the page so you know it's legit. But yeah, so 133.76, and then 114.14 so far today. Let me know if you guys have any questions, bruh. Just comment down below and I'll try to get back to everybody. But this is not like my only source of income as well. Like I do a lot of other things on the side. So that's why I don't be replying to some of your comments sometimes. So if you comment like in the first hour or so, like I'll get back to you for sure. But other than that, like I be working on other things and this is not my only source of income. Like I gotta focus on other things. But yeah, that's basically it for today. This is my journey. And like I said, like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm out, bro.